Hello everybody and welcome to Color Theory 101. This video is part one of a color theory series I am putting together. By the end of this video, you will understand primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. You will also have put together these two color wheels that you can use as you go about your art. Hopefully you can find something useful. Let's get started. We're going to be using red, yellow, and blue to create every single color in this video. We're going to be creating a lot of colors, but red, yellow, and blue are our primary colors. That means that they make up every single other color. Red, yellow, and blue are the purest colors in nature. So you're going to start off by putting some red, yellow, and blue onto your palette so that you can mix with them. We're going to start by making a color wheel. Draw a circle and divide it into 6 parts. They don't have to be perfect. We are going to then paint every other section, red, yellow, and blue. Leave a section in between each of the primary colors. I am using watercolor for this entire video. You can use any paint though. If you are using watercolor, make sure to get a little bit of water on your brush and water down the paint just a bit before you start painting. Don't water it down too much or your colors will not be as vibrant. And for your color wheel, you're going to want vibrant colors. Now that we have our primary colors down, we're going to work on our secondary colors. Secondary colors are made by mixing 2 primary colors. We're going to start off with red and yellow. Red and yellow make orange. Make sure that you rinse off your brush between each time that you collect one of the primary colors because you don't want to muddy up your colors. This orange is a bit too red for me, so I'm going to add a little bit more yellow. There, I think I like that better. Water it down a little bit if you need to. And then go ahead and paint this section between the yellow and the red with the orange secondary color. Next, we are going to mix our yellow and our blue. Don't forget to rinse off your brush between collecting your primary colors. Mixing yellow and blue make green. Go ahead and adjust your green until you feel that it is a pretty pure green. If you have too much blue, it's going to look more like a teal color, but we'll get into that later. Once you're happy with the green that you mixed, paint the section between the yellow and the blue with your green. Next, we're going to make my favorite secondary color, purple. Mixing blue and red together, create a purple. Purple is a little bit of a darker color, so you may need to water it down a bit so that you can see what the true color is up against the white background of your palette. Once you're happy with your purple, paint it between your red and blue. There we have our color wheel with our 3 primary colors and our 3 secondary colors. Next, we're going to make another wheel with our tertiary colors. For this color wheel, I want you to draw a circle, but this time divide it into 12 parts. I went ahead and put the primary colors and the 3 secondary colors on the wheel for starters. If you need to do that, go ahead and stop the video and get that finished and then come back when you're done. Let's start with a reddish orange. This will actually kind of make a salmon color. Red is quite a dominant color. It's a very strong hue. A hue is another word for color. And because red is so dominant, you're going to add a little bit more orange than red for this tertiary color of reddish orange or salmon. Once you're happy with your salmon color, go ahead and paint it between the red and the orange. Next, we're going to do a yellow-orange. And because orange has some of that red in it, which is such a dominant color, you will be putting a bit more yellow than the orange to make the right color. They're almost equal, just a tad bit more yellow. When you're happy with your yellow-orange color, go ahead and put it on your color wheel between your yellow and your orange. Now we're going to make a nice yellow-green color, also known as lime. It's going to be a very pretty light lime color. Blue is also a bit more dominant than yellow as far as the primary colors go. And because green has some of that blue in it, you will be adding a little bit more yellow than the green to get your lime color, your yellow-green color. When you're happy with your color, paint it between the yellow and the green. It should look like lime. Now let's work on the reddish purple color. Red and purple make a plum color. Plum is actually my very favorite color. The red and the purple, you'll be mixing them about equal amounts for this. Once you get the beautiful plum color that you are happy with, go ahead and paint it on your wheel between the red and the purple. Next, let's do our bluish purple. Adding purple to your blue in about equal amounts will actually turn it into kind of a denim color. Once you're done mixing your purple and your blue, go ahead and paint it on your wheel between your blue and your purple. So finally, we are going to mix our green and our blue together. This is called greenish blue, but it also is called teal. Teal is probably my second favorite color. You're going to be mixing these in about equal amounts. When you're happy with the teal color you come up with, go ahead and paint it on your last place of your color wheel between the green and the blue. Congratulations, you have made a color wheel with your primary, your secondary, and your tertiary colors. So all of these colors were made with the three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. These are bright and vibrant colors. There are also colors that we need in painting that are neutral. Did you know that the neutrals, like browns and tans and grays, are also made from the three primary colors of red, yellow, and blue? If you check out my color theory video all about neutrals, I will show you how this is done. Hope to see you over there. Bye for now.